Welcome back to El Cisco TV. This is your favorite bearded chef El Cisco, and on episode 13 of Quarantine to Cook, we're making the most amazing fried buffalo shrimp. It's a delicious yet simple recipe. Let's get into it. We're going to start off with 1 cup of melted butter along with 1 cup of your favorite hot sauce. I chose to use Grace hot sauce. Next, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of distilled white wine vinegar, a pinch of garlic powder, 4 tablespoons of A1 steak sauce, a pinch of allspice, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of paprika. Then get a whisk and just mix that all in together. Now we're going to start on our wet batter. We're going to crack 3 eggs into our bowl. We're going to add 1 cup of flour, pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, a pinch of complete seasoning, and then we're going to add 12 ounces of carbonated water. And then we're going to mix that up well. Now for our seasoned flour, we're going to add 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt. Then we're going to season our shrimp. I have 1 pound of large shrimp. Season that with black pepper and salt. Now we're going to take a shrimp, dip it in our wet batter, shake it off, dip it in our seasoned flour, shake off any excess, and then we're going to place that on our parchment paper. After letting our shrimp rest for about 5 minutes, the next step is to get them in our hot oil, where we'll cook them until they're done, nice, crispy, and brown. After being cooked and brown, nice and delicious, we're going to have them on our cooling rack for about 5 minutes so they can crisp up before we toss them in our homemade buffalo sauce. Alright, so we transfer the shrimp to a bowl, add our buffalo sauce to the bowl, and then we toss the shrimp until they're all coated. Now once the shrimp are coated, you can go ahead and plate them however you desire. And there you have it, fried buffalo shrimp. Nice and crunchy, but still with the buffalo flavor. Give it a try, drop a comment down below, and tell me what you think. Catch you on the next video. Peace.